Inactively. So for the convenience of all of you, every character will speak in English. So mind that. So the story goes like this. In a small village called Ramapuram, there is a farmer who is very hardworking. He has a daughter. He is survived by a daughter whose marriage is scheduled in the next month. He sells all his crop and gets 2 lakh rupees and reaches the bank to deposit his amount in an account. He is very concerned about that amount because he has earned every penny by shedding blood and sweat. So here is a farmer who is walking into the bank to deposit money.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Morning, what do you want?
Sir, deposit. My money deposit.
Please fill this form and come back. I will deposit it.
Sir, I don't know fill this form.
You can ask someone there and come back again fill the form.
Okay, thank you, sir. Who is here to fill my form? Babu, can you please fill my deposit? I want money.
What do you want, uncle?
Deposit.
Deposit.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a passbook.
Passport. Take me passport.
What is your name?
Rajkumar.
Okay. What is the amount you have?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Oh. What is the 2 lakhs for?
Next month, my daughter's marriage is there, Babu. So I am depositing and I'm changing purpose.
Yeah. What is your phone number? Please tell me.
Number 62823252.
Okay. Please sign here.
Sign it.
One side back side.
Okay.
Go give the
Thank you.
person.
You filled everything now?
Yes, I have filled it.
You feel carefully now, Babu?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Babu. Sir, please take my money and deposit to me.
Okay, is it yours? Yeah, Rajkumar?
Hi, sir, it's mine.
Okay. Yeah. Your work is done.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, actually, this money is for my daughter's marriage. How much total balance, sir? 5 lakhs, sir. Sir, actually, I am saving this money for my daughter's marriage. I have to do it in a planned manner. Sir, you also please come for my. I will invite you, sir, after some 3 weeks, okay?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, 5 lakhs. He looks so innocent. I have to take advantage of it.
The farmer looks so happy because he has deposited almost a 5 lakh amount. He has accumulated from his adulthood. So he is returning home after this from the bank.
Oh, I have collected all the money. It's going to be a festival for my daughter's life. Oh, that will be great pleasure to me as a father to celebrate her marriage in a great manner to entire village.
Can I drink some water?
Chinnu, thank you, Ram. From bank now to deposit money, we have cultivated the land now.
You could have called me, Papa. I will fill the forms right.
But there one guy is there, he's too good. He filled everything with the proper manner. That's no problem.
He filled it every
Yeah, next time I will take to you, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Papa.
Yeah. You go to grandmother and enjoy, do one party something, okay?
Okay, Papa.
An interesting event is about to unfold here. This is after 2 days.
That day I have seen that old man. Let me call him.
Hello, who is this?
Hello, sir. We are calling from ABC Bank.
Oh, bank. Sir, tell me, what happened, sir?
Sir, your KYC is pending. Your account will be locked by evening, sir.
Oh, sir, don't lock it. My 5 lakhs is there, sir. Next month, my daughter marriage, sir. If you lock, how will I take?
Sir, you don't need to worry, sir. KYC is nothing but Aadhaar card. You will share your Aadhaar card details, sir.
Sir, Aadhaar card is there.
Yeah. How, sir?
Sir, I will come to branch, no?
No need, sir. I will do it in online only.
Sir, okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay. I have to verify if I am talking to right person or not. Please tell your name,
Rajkumar, sir.
your native place,
Ramapuram, sir.
your Aadhaar card number, 12 digit.
682730926131, sir.
Okay. You own a debit card, sir?
Debit. Sir, ATM card is there. What is debit card?
Sir, ATM card, debit card, both are there.
Same, sir.
Okay, sir. ATM card is there, sir.
Yes. Please tell the 16 digit.
Sir, 1 minute. Just a minute. Sir, 3251727529394629.
4629. Okay. Sir, you will receive a OTP, please.
Sir,
tell the
what
OTP.
is OTP, sir? OTP.
Sir, you will receive a message.
Message.
There is a 6-digit number.
Sir, just let me.
Yes.
Sir, I got a message.
There is 6-digit number. You know. You tell.
Okay, sir, I will tell you. Sir, 429135.
429135. Oh, okay, sir. Your KYC is updated.
Sir,
no need
KYC
to worry.
done, no?
Yes.
Sir, my money is safe, no, sir?
Yes, your money is safe.
Sir,
Your
next
account
month
will not be
marriage.
locked. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks
Yeah.
for your service, sir.
Okay, congrats for your daughter's marriage.
Thank you, sir.
5 lakhs. Yes.
So after this event, this is after 2 weeks, the daughter's marriage date has arrived, the D-Day has arrived. So this is after 2 weeks. Sir, I'm here for a home loan.
What do you do for living, sir?
I'm a doctor. I work in Gandhi Medical College, Hyderabad.
Native place, sir?
In my native place, I want to construct a house here. So I own a land here. So I need
How much amount you want, sir?
around 30 lakhs.
The land is done, sir, or not?
Yeah, it is done.
What about municipality?
Yeah, everything is done. Documents are very clear.
Sir, can you go through this brochure and can you note all the
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, Mitra, sir.
You fill the form?
Everything done.
How much amount you want to withdraw?
5 lakhs, sir.
Is this your account only?
Sir, mine only, Rajkumar.
Okay, but your account balance is 0.
Sir, what you are telling, sir? 5 lakhs is there, no, sir?
Sir, you deposited 5 lakhs the last 2 weeks back, right?
Yes, sir, 5 lakhs. 2 lakhs I deposited, then total balance 5 lakhs.
Thereafter, last week I got debited to another account.
Sir, how we will debit it, sir? Sir, 5 lakhs is there, sir. Please give my money back, sir.
Sir, it's online transaction, sir. You need to be aware of it.
Sir, I am not doing that, then how will you take the online transaction?
Sir, you please go and talk to manager.
Sir, I will inquire this about manager. Sir, may I come in, sir? Sir, may I come in, sir?
When will I get my loan if I bring all the documents?
Provide all the documents, so I can provide you within 5 days, sir. But all the documents should be proper and genuine, sir.
Sir, urgent, sir. No balance, sir.
It's a discussion, wait outside. I will call you, I will definitely call you, wait outside. Sir, is it please?
Yeah, I need 30 lakhs. So will you be able to provide the
Sir,
required amount?
sir, my balance gone, sir. Please.
Discussion, right? I told you. Wait outside, I will call you, okay?
Sir, maybe he needs some help.
Actually, everyone will get some okay? We will provide 30 lakhs, sir. Contact documents are genuine, we will do everything, okay? Please check the card, sir.
Sir, balance, sir.
Actually, I'm discussing, sir. I will call you later. Sir, if you sir, can you give me your card also, sir? You can contact me, sir. If you have any doubt, I will be okay.
So I'll contact you. I'll submit the documents by tomorrow. I need the loan by tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, in 3 days. Because if you don't provide me, I'll choose another brand.
Sir,
Definitely provide.
sir.
I told you. Wait outside.
Okay, good, sir.
Don't wait. We'll provide you, sir. Definitely. Documents are proper. Thank you, sir.
Sir. Sir, no money in my month, sir. Just check what happened, sir. He's telling no money.
What's your name?
Sir, Rajkumar, sir.
Rajkumar. Okay. No money.
Sir, why you are telling like that, sir? I deposited 2 weeks back, sir. 2 lakhs, total 5 lakhs, sir. Sir, that money is for my daughter marriage, sir. Sir, if you tell like this.
I'll check here. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, people.
Sir, I didn't accept. The system is wrong, sir. Sir, please verify once, sir. Sir, please. Sir, that system is wrong, sir.
They will make mistakes, okay? Not computers.
Sir, don't tell like that, sir. Sir, without that money, I can't do the marriage.
Let me finish, okay? Will you do my job?
Sir, don't talk like
Listen, okay? I think something happened behind you. Okay?
Sir, I didn't do anything, sir.
Go and check on yourself.
Sir, don't tell like that, sir. Sir, you can do something, sir. Sir, please give my money, sir.
Back didn't take money, okay?
Sir,
You
but
only
I
take
didn't
money.
do, sir.
No, man. Go and check yourself on you're at home. Something happened on yourself only. Go. Someone waiting for you.
My money lost. What to do now? After 1 week, my daughter's marriage is there. Oh God, what happened to me? Where the money went? Oh God. How to convey this to my family?
Farmer is extremely gutted, disappointed that he had lost all the money that he had done up to now. Only hope for him was his daughter's marriage. He wanted to see it. He is absolutely shattered.
Okay, I will talk to Krishna ji. I will tell him to arrange after some time. Krishna ji.
Hello, Raj.
Krishna ji, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine ji.
How is everything going?
Everything is good ji. But
Everything is arranged?
But some money is not arranged. Can I adjust that money after 2 months?
What? Money is not arranged.
Yes ji.
Money first, only next
Ji,
marriage.
don't tell like that ji. Please. After 2 months I will arrange from somehow.
What are you saying, Raji? Is this marriage or credit card scheme? Buy now, pay later.
Ji,
No money,
reputation,
no
my daughter's
marriage.
reputation is in your hand ji. Please consider this ji.
No. Only if you have money, call me then.
Ji, don't tell like that ji.
No.
Oh, Krishna ji also not accepting. How to convey this to my family? Oh my God. Thank you, Chinnu.
Have you got the money, Papa?
Yeah, Chinnu, I got. Your marriage will be done. No problem. You will be fine. I will do it like a festival.
Papa, but you're looking tired.
Oh, I travel from the Bangalore, so like for that time it will be done.
Okay, Papa, I'll do all the shopping.
Yeah, you purchase something, okay? Oh, what to do? If some 1 month is there, where I will get money as a small farmer?
Only God knows what happens to this man.
Nobody is supporting me, even banks also not supporting me. There is only one solution for me as of now. I will commit suicide, otherwise my entire reputation will go.
Papa? 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 Papa?
That is it. So that is it. Here the two mistakes we have seen the two mistakes unfolding in front of our eyes. The farmer who was illiterate shared his confidential secured information to the hackers, and even though if he had shared the information, the banker could have guided in a right manner. A bit of concern could have made the difference. It could have made or broken the lives. So that is it.
Hello, sir. We are talking from ABC College. Sorry, bank.
So that is not it. The story continues. The fraudsters do these things and the victims will be there. So it is on the part of bankers to be careful, to guide the customers. Customer service makes a lot of difference. So we, Union Bank of India, doesn't do this shit. We